The Miracle Mile shops in Planet Hollywood. They have an artificial sky, which is really nice. The shops, very Mediterranean, European looking.
Although the garbage.
Have a variety of stores. True Religion, Aldo. But the best thing is right in the middle of the mall, this mini mall, is this little stream that's set up over here with lights and fog and water. And every half hour, the skies light up and it starts to rain inside the mall. Lightning and thunder and everything. Everybody gathers around to look at the water, the streams of water.
O'clock, 11 o'clock, Las Vegas time. 11 o'clock, Las Vegas
11 o'clock,
time.
Las Vegas time. We're still out and about. Miracle Mile shops.
2 o'clock, New Jersey time.
Hope y'all are sleeping.
Motherfuckers.
All right. Catch you later. Now look, then the fog starts up from the bottom. Very cool.